अनंत राधिका के प्री वेडिंग बैश को पूरी दुनिया ने देखा था। इसके साथ ही लोगों ने इस प्री वेडिंग बैश की शानदार झलकियों को खूब पसंद भी किया। लेकिन अब अनंत राधिका के प्री वेडिंग बैश के बाद उनकी शादी का कार्ड भी खूब सुर्खियां बटोर रहा है। आपको बता दें कि अनंत राधिका की शादी का ये कार्ड काफी अनोखा और प्यारा है। अनंत और राधिका की शादी का कार्ड सुनहरे रंग के बॉक्स में है। उसे खोलते ही सबसे पहले चतुर्भुज स्वरूप में भगवान विष्णु की तस्वीर लगी है। तस्वीर को हटाते ही वैदिक मंत्रों की मनोहरी सी धुन बजती है। इसके साथ चांदी के सुनहरे रंग के डिब्बे में विवाह के आयोजन की तिथियों के निमंत्रण पत्र रखे गए हैं। इसमें ही चांदी के मंदिर में गणेश जी, माँ दुर्गा, राधा कृष्ण और भगवान विष्णु और माँ लक्ष्मी की स्वर्ण प्रतिमाएं भी लगी हुई हैं। गौरतलब है कि 12 जुलाई को मुंबई में होने वाले इस भव्य समारोह के कार्ड को खोलने पर हर आयोजन के लिए अलग अलग कार्ड हैं। इसके साथ ही बता दें कि 12 जुलाई को शादी, 13 जुलाई को आशीर्वाद समारोह और 14 जुलाई को रिसेप्शन होगा। वहीं इस कार्ड की कीमत की बात अगर करें तो इसकी असल कीमत के बारे में अभी कोई सही जानकारी नहीं मिली है, लेकिन इसे देखने पर इसकी कीमत करीब 6 से 7 लाख रुपए तक की हो सकती है।
Alright, so let's see what we have here. We have this beautiful wedding invite with compliments from Mr. and Mrs. Ambani. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's there in it. Okay, so we're greeted with this big orange box which is so beautiful. It has this lovely image of Lord Vishnu right here on top. With, I think if you look a bit closely, we have Goddess Lakshmi residing in his heart, with Vishnu Shlok written all over this box. Let's see what's inside this beautiful box. Wow. Take a look at that. Such a lovely embroidery that's been done. I think that is what you call the Vaikunth, the place of residence of Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi. And I can also hear the Vishnu mantra as I open this box. So now let's see. There's this golden book here that we have with this idol here. Let's open and see what's inside this book. Wow, look at the work that's been done. I think this is the wedding invite. We're greeted with Lord Ganesha. And what is this? Oh, this comes out. This seems to be like a detachable frame. I think I can easily get something like this framed for my temple at my place. Let's move on. Then we have Radha and Krishna, and here's the Nimantran Patra. I think this is how you open and see what's there inside it. We have this small little envelope. Oh, this has such a lovely handwritten note from the family. I just love the personal touch that's been added to this invite. Lovely. Let's see what's there in it. Next, we have Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi again. Then we have Ma Ambe, alright. And I think this, yes, this is also a detachable frame that we have here with us. Then of course, we have Srinath Ji and all these little diyas that light up this beautiful wedding invite that we have. And then there is this quote here at the end that says, I am the same as you. You are the same as me. Our minds are alike. Our words are alike. Our hearts are alike. Rig Veda. Wow, such a beautiful quote from Rig Veda. Loved it. Absolutely loved it. Okay, let's see what else is there in the invite. We have another smaller orange box here with us. Excited to see what's inside this one. Let me just quickly open this. Wow, would you look at that? This looks so beautiful. I think this is what you call a travel mandir. This is so easy to carry, such a compact mandir that we have here. I think this is definitely going to be used by me for my future trips. Then we have another pouch, as we can see here. I'm just going to open and see what's inside this. This is something by Swadesh that we have here with us. Wow, just take a look at this. This is such a soft material. And there's a note inside that talks a bit about... Oh, okay. So this is a Dorukha Pashmina shawl. specially handcrafted by artisans in Kashmir. I'm just going to open this shawl up and show you guys how beautiful the colors look. Just take a look at this. Such a beautiful shawl this is. I think this box has a little bit of everything for us. It has art, culture, spirituality, everything combined. I think these are things that exactly make all of us Indians proud, and I'm so happy that I got to take a look at it. Thank you so much to the Ambani family, and my best wishes to the happy couple.